Okay, this screencast is designed to help you with today's assignments that you'll be working on. The assignments, there are just two questions, and the first is basically, this is a quote by Simon Bolivar, and I swear before God and by my honor never to allow my hands to be idle, nor my soul to rest until I have broken the chains. Chains is an important word that bind us to Spain. So basically, how did the American and French revolutions, how may they have influenced Bolivar? And you might want to look also a little bit at the section in the textbook about Simon Bolivar and what he was like. Remember, he's a Creole, which is right here in the chart. And we talked a little bit about this yesterday. The word chains are really important. Abraham Lincoln, when he was talking about the rebellion of the South in the Civil War, he talks about cords. Cords are basically when you tie something together with a knot, but it's not a chain. There's a very different idea when you use cords to bind yourself to another person. Typically, a cord is when you bind yourself to another person. Bolivar uses the word chains. So why does he use the word chains when the common word of the year when you were in commitment with each other or in a contract with each other is a cord? So that's how he sees Spain. Remember how far away is Spain from North America and South America? That's another aspect to consider. So what is it about what was going on with the way the people who were Spanish, the Peninsulares, were treating everybody else, the Creoles, the Mestizos, the mulattoes? Okay? So that's for the first question. We went over this yesterday also. The second question shows the pyramid. And as you read Latin America Ripe for Revolution, fill in the pyramid below. Now, you can't fill it in below. You're going to have to fill it underneath. You need to describe the social classes and the powers they held, and then describe how this social structure caused problems in Latin America. So I should see a definition for each of these terms, 4 definitions, and how this one sentence showing how this structure created real problems in the Latin part of North America and South America. So that should be pretty straightforward to answer, and we'll be talking about it a bit more again today in the meeting. It is due today, so you need to hand that in. Thank you, and I'll see you later on.